All right, boys and girls, welcome to our new guitar. I'm having fun with a new song from Ed Sheeran. It's called Azizam. So there's a recording on YouTube behind the scenes of making this song Azizam. So I really recommend you to check that one out. It's always interesting to see the birth of a song from this caliber of an artist, Ed Sheeran. So yeah, if you look at that, they mention the meaning of Azizam. It is in Persian and translates into my love. All right, so very uplifting song. Let's check this one out. So we have the capo set here on the 6th position. That's the absolute best scenario for us, the easiest way to handle the song. And with that, we have 4 different chords. I'm gonna go over them first. So we're gonna start with A minor. It is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. The next chord will be this GB chord. So the grip will be second on A, open D, open G, third B, and open E. We have the E minor next. And that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is a bar chord, and it's the F. So you play the index finger on the 1st fret and then push down all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. All right, so there's a certain melody in this song, even if it's bass, it's the chords, but we have this melody we want to try to pick out while we are playing the chords, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna give you the certain notes from each and every chord, and the chord progression will be the same throughout the song. So it goes from the A minor to GB to E minor to the F in order to learn the chords. So we're gonna start with the A minor. You're gonna start like this. So without any grip first, you just play the open A and open D string, okay? And then you add on the chord, so like this. You want to focus on this D string here. That is where the melody starts, so okay, like that. So you add on the chord, that means the 2nd D string. And then you hit one more down on the 2nd D / open A, so you're playing on the bass string, so. And then you play 2 downs on the higher strings, and the focus now is the open E string. But of course, you incorporate also the bottom down here, the B, and also perhaps the G string to get these 2 downstrokes. The main thing here is the E string, the open E string 2 times, all right? So that is the A minor part. Then you go into the next chord, the GB. So it's 2 downs. The first down is to play the A and D string, the open D string, the notes or the melody goes on the open D string, that note, but you also want to incorporate the bass, which is the 2nd fret A string. That's the first down, and the second and last down is to hit the 3rd B string where the melody goes, but also strings around it, the G or even the open high E. It's only 2 downs on GB. So far we learned half of the song, and it's A minor and GB. It goes like this, slowly. Okay, then we have pretty much the same principles for next 2 chords. E minor is very similar to the A minor part. So it goes. So you're gonna start with open E and open A. Again, not having the grip still, but soon. So, and then you hammer on the grip. And now you wanna focus on the 2nd fret A string. That's where the melody goes. Okay, that's the first half. So you want to play 1 down on the open strings, and then you hammer on the grip, and then you give 1 extra down on the bass strings, the open E and now the 2nd A. And then you answer with 2 downs on the higher strings down here. The focus now is the open B string, so 2 times, but of course you're having the strings around it, so open G and open E is there as well, so that's the E minor part. And then you have the final F part, and it goes like this. So now you're gonna play one down on the bass strings, and the focus here is the 3rd fret A. That's where the melody goes, but you also incorporate the first E string from the actual chord. So one down there, and then one down on the higher strings. The focus now is the 1st fret B string, that note, and again, of course, you incorporate strings around it. So the G and E string from the actual grip, one down like that. Okay, so that is the F part, and that is the full melody. I'm gonna take you through one round slowly so you understand what's going on, and then I'm gonna speed up to a standard tempo. Let's go. And that, my friends, is how you handle Ed Sheeran's Azizam on a guitar. A really fun song to play, very addictive. So once you get it, it's hard to stop. So hope you enjoyed this, guys. And if you do, feel free to support me here on Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.